Looking for the best soundbar for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 soundbar that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a soundbar that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended soundbar. Number 1 on the list is Majority Bowfell TV Soundbar. The Majority Bowfell TV Soundbar provides big, impeccable clarity to go along with those HD visuals you spent so much for. It's only 15 inches wide, has a built-in subwoofer and blasts out 50 watts of power, ideal for enhancing on-screen dialogue. This means you'll get crystal clear audio without having to crank the TV's volume to eardrum-splitting levels. Voices come through sharp and detailed, while other sounds hover at a just right level. "I can't believe how great this little speaker bar is," raved a satisfied Amazon shopper. "I wanted something to be able to listen to Amazon Music and Spotify apps on my Roku, so I didn't have to plug a phone or Fire tablet into my stereo. Wow, was I surprised at how good this sounded. Then, my family watched a movie and we were thrilled at the theater-quality sound in our little living room," says another fan. "Superb sound enhancement and a great replacement for TV speakers. The sound is so rich and clear that I can set it at about half the volume of my TV speakers and hear everything. Really nice. Recommend this to anyone who wants great sound but doesn't want a large soundbar sitting in front of their TV. It is small enough that if it did not have a light on it, you would forget it was even there." Second on the list is Bose Solo 5 TV Soundbar. The Bose Solo 5 is a single-unit soundbar that packs in all the audio expertise that Bose is known for, but at a very affordable price. Housed in a sleek 1.6 kg unit measuring 2.6 h x 21.6 w x 3.4 d, the Bose Solo 5 is on the more compact side when it comes to soundbar dimensions, making it an ideal option when space is limited. The sleek all-black design should merge well with most setups. Sound-wise, the soundbar produces well-balanced audio that genuinely shines when it comes to the spoken word, bringing dialogue and vocals to life in movies, games, and music with stunning clarity and detail, while suitably rich and with enough presence. The low end isn't as pronounced as other models, chiefly because the soundbar doesn't include a standalone subwoofer, so those that prefer a beefier low end may want to look elsewhere. Volume is impressive for such a small unit, too. It also features Bluetooth connectivity for easy pairing with mobile devices. Alongside, the soundbar ships with a programmable universal remote that allows you to control your TV, cable, or satellite box without having to revert to different remotes. Ports include one coaxial input, one AUX, and an optical audio input. The unit also houses a mounting ring should you prefer to attach it to the wall behind the TV, while the Bose Solo May 5 lacks some of the features of other sub-$200 soundbars. It more than makes up for it with stellar audio and a price tag you wouldn't usually associate with Bose products. Number 3 on the list is Sony S100F Soundbar. If you ever need a reliable soundbar for Sony Bravia TV, Sony S100F can be a fantastic option. It is a 2.0 ch soundbar that offers easy setup and wireless streaming with all your smart devices while consuming only 120W power. Also, it is more compact than you think, so it can easily fit into smaller spaces, including your office. We didn't realize the bar's small and handy profile until we got to unbox it, which took us hardly a few minutes to reveal the beast. The 2.0 channel soundbar contains dual-up firing speakers that deliver surround sound from a mini packet bar. The speakers are powerful enough to deliver punching bass and never compromise the clarity and detail. However, it does not have any dedicated center channel for dialogue, and the speakers are also not Dolby Atmos certified. Still, it can be a great entry-level yet affordable way to upgrade your Sony TV speakers. Thankfully, the soundbar produces deep sound, and the built-in tweeter highlights the flutes and tunes of every track. The sound gets loud and deep with a mixture of bass, making the sound more thrilling and room-shaking. Besides, the soundbar also features a voice enhancement feature that enhances the dialogue delivery, making every whisper clear and precise to understand. Also, no matter the audio frequency level, there will be no disturbance in the audio quality. Additionally, the Bluetooth and HDMI ARC connection make the connectivity more convenient, saving time in starting a party. Also, this Sony TV soundbar integrates S-Pro technology that produces high-fidelity audio that instantly fills the room with vibrations, tunes, and noises and boosts your music streaming. Number 4 on the list is Polk Audio Signa S2. Polk Audio Signa S2 is a great choice and one of the best music soundbars we have come across, featuring high-end functions, a wireless subwoofer, and Bluetooth technology to make music listening easier than ever. We love the slim and catchy look of the bar, featuring a Polk Audio logo at the front side and the grilled texture all along. The rear side is all plain back, with a connectivity ports hub. Moreover, the soundbar is not heavy, and the minimalist design makes it a great choice for the bedroom soundbar. Installation and setup is also a walk in the park with one power cable. Also, the wireless connection technology makes it compatible with all smart devices, especially smartphones. But the HDMI cable can help you get the best audio results with perfect synchronization, allowing you to pair it with your Apple TV. Moreover, the bar features multiple full-range channels with separate tweeters for rich, exclusive, and stunning sound performance. The audio is powerful enough to provide you with cinematic audio listening. We also got a chance to watch news using this soundbar, and the voice adjustment technology helped clarify the dialogues and make them understandable despite the heavy background noise. But Dolby Digital is a real deal-breaker, willing to eliminate the sound delays while maximizing clarity for the luxurious movie watching, gaming, and music listening experience. Internet connectivity is another spotlight feature for audiophiles, giving you full access to online music streaming platforms like Pandora, Spotify, Amazon Music, TuneIn, etc., and enjoy a cable-free listening experience at home. Hence, considering all the features and attractive solid profile, also, sliding or mounting the soundbar under the 55-inch TV is not a bad idea. The ultra-slim and appealing look will enhance the overall room decor. Number 5 on the list is BESTISAN Soundbar. BESTISAN has been reading your mind. This soundbar is an awesome option for anyone looking for a fantastic speaker at an affordable price. One of the first things you need to consider when purchasing a soundbar is where you're going to put it. Thankfully, this BESTISAN soundbar keeps all your options open and offers you multiple ways to set it up. It comes with a mounting template and wall brackets so that you can easily install the soundbar in a mounted position. If you don't want to mount the speaker, you can also set it up by placing it on a flat surface. Since this soundbar conveniently has rubber feet, you can confidently place it on a table without damaging the surface and while knowing that it won't easily slip. It also has rubber feet on the end so that you have the option of setting it up in a vertical orientation. As a low-priced soundbar, this BESTISAN stands out above the rest as being high quality with a nice and solid build. Beyond just its good quality build, its sound quality is also something that puts this product ahead. With its 3 different equalizer modes, you will be perfectly equipped for the best sound experience. Whether you're enjoying some relaxing music, being thrown around an action movie, or indulging in some thought-provoking interviews, you will be properly prepared. This BESTISAN 28-inch soundbar also offers Bluetooth capabilities so that you can use the speaker to stream all your best music from your smart device. It allows for optical, AUX, USB, and RCA so that you are covered no matter what mode of connection you need. All in all, if you're looking for great sound quality, easy setup, and a sturdy build, then this is perfect. Just now is a list of 5 best soundbar that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.